Let's make a spa pamper pack together. This is for our virtual pampering sessions. You'll want to pop this in the mail, hopefully 5 to 7 business days in advance so that they make sure to receive it on time. And inside each one, you'll include something like this. It's a third sheet, and I do it on cardstock so that it's a little bit structured and gives a little bit of weight to the pamper pack itself. I'll share with you why in just a second. And on it, you'll notice it mentions the at-home virtual beauty sesh, what you'll need. And this is a graphic that you'll text them ahead of time. That way they have this in advance so that they can know what to do. But I also include it here because sometimes people forget, right? So they want to make sure to have a sink or bowl of water, their facial kit, scissors and a pen, 2 washcloths. I like to use the Google Meet app because it gives us a full hour as opposed to the free Zoom account only gives us 40 minutes. A charged device, either phone, laptop, or tablet, and you know how we get. Like, we need to make sure that they know to charge their phone. Otherwise, well, we've all been in those situations. And then I put the Google Meet link here. Now, this will be provided for you blank, so you can add yours separately or you can create one that is customized to yourself. I include these lines because I'm going to give them the opportunity to nominate some friends to receive a spa pamper pack in the mail, just like they did. And then this highlights the virtual beauty sesh perks for hosting a virtual beauty session where they include their friends. So they can, let's say they want to have another one that is customized for them and include some friends, they'll get a half price item for each friend who joins them. I do ask that they please invite friends who are 21 or older who don't have a Mary Kay consultant. And then there's additional perks on top of that that they can get when they have 5 friends join their virtual beauty sesh. They can add a 25 more free on top of their half price items, or if they have 10 or more, they can add 50 free on top of their half price items. So that is something that I always want to feature because I want to plant seeds for hosting their own. Then on the other side, it talks a little bit about our starter kit options. There's the Mary Kay eStart and the Pro Start options. I'll share some coupons with them, but then I also give them the option to always shop at 50% off. And of course, I'll teach them everything they know. So that's just for planting the seeds for starting their business. Now inside the products, it really will depend on what you want to focus on. Oftentimes I feature the Time-Wise Miracle Set, but you could include the Time-Wise Repair Skincare or the Mary Kay Hydrating or Mattifying Skincare sets, just depending on who your audience is. But this is what comes in our starter kit, so that's why I often will include this. Of course, it's got the purple stripe for the combo to oily or the pink stripe for normal to dry. And I'll show you how to pack that inside the envelope so that it will fit, because as you can see, it is longer than the envelope itself. Now, I'm going to decide, will I focus on more spa products or will I do some makeup at the spa session? And what's great about this is it can give you options depending on your audience. And also, let's say the first time a girl, a woman, has a spa session and she does the facial peel and the charcoal mask in addition to the skincare. Maybe at her follow-up glow session, she wants to do more of a moisture boost session where you can do the Revealing Radiance facial peel and the hydrating cream mask that's brand new in addition to the skincare, okay? Or maybe we want to focus more on makeup, then we'll do the skincare, the charcoal mask, or the moisture boost, depending on her personal preference, and then include a CC cream and a lip color, just one lip color. And what you're gonna do is, with the CC cream, you'll just look at her picture, like on Facebook, or have her text you a picture and do your best to guess which color of CC cream to include. Here's the great deal, that if it's not the perfect shade for her, then you can know next time you need to go darker or lighter. So don't stress too much about that. But we also don't wanna send her 10 different samples because then that gets expensive for us as a beauty consultant. So when we're doing makeup, the skincare, charcoal mask, CC cream, and then either, I recommend, one of our Supreme Hydrating Lipsticks. My top 2 favorite to feature are either Mauve Crush or Hushed Blush. And what's wonderful about these is you can reach out to the girls in advance and give them options. Do you like a lip and cheek color that is more warm toned or more cool toned. So the Hush Blush is more warm and the Mauve Crush is more cool. And that way they can feel like their little set is customized. What you're going to do with this is use one of the cheek colors. Let's say I choose to center the Mauve Crush. We're going to use this for lips and cheeks. So it's dual purpose as well. And the Supreme Hydrating Lipstick is very moisturizing, so it will dual purpose very well for that. Now let me show you how I pack it. A few tips for packing. Let's start with the spa session to begin with. Let's say we're going to do the Miracle Set, the Revealing Radiance Facial Peel, and the Charcoal Mask. In the envelope, you're going to want to make sure to include a 2-ounce stamp. That 2-ounce stamp should be plenty for what you're going to put inside. Now, if you include a whole bunch of samples that are not shown here, or like everything shown here, then you're going to need to pay more for postage. That's why I like to keep things light and simple so that we're not spending a lot on postage. And that's why I also use a regular envelope. I just got these on Amazon, and I just picked the most inexpensive pack of envelopes. I think I got 100 at a time just because I know I'm going to do virtual sessions frequently. And I like to pick a color that's nice and bold so that it stands out in their mailbox. Now inside, we're going to take the Miracle Set, and this end where it says the Nighttime Recovery, we're going to fold it over so that it will fit nicely inside the envelope. Then, because we're just focusing on spa on this one, we're going to include the Revealing Radiance Facial Peel right here, and then the charcoal mask, or you could do the hydrating cream mask instead of the charcoal mask, but we're going to slip that right in there and then fold that over. Now, the reason I don't line these up on the bottom is because sometimes when they machine process these, if it's too bulky down here at the bottom, it can get caught up. So that's why I do them this way. Then you just seal this, put her name on the front and address, and you're good to go. Now, I have a special tip for if we're going to be including makeup, okay? So I talked about we can do either the charcoal mask or the moisture, the hydrating cream mask. Today we're going to do the charcoal mask, tuck it in there. We're going to tuck the CC cream in there, but I have a special tip on the lip color. Because this is a lip blister where you can see it's kind of 3D-ish, that pokes up, I'm going to take a glue dot. You can just get these at any office supply store. And with the glue dot, I'm going to put it on the back of here. And I just lay that on there and then peel that off. And there it is on there. I'm going to take it and tuck it inside here. Now I'm going to strategically tuck it this way, facing forward, and I'll show you why. So I'm just going to tuck that here and stick that on there, and then that will cover it up. Now the reason why I do that is because this section, there's no padding to it, there's no product in there. So I want the lip blister facing the side that has product in there to provide cushion so that it doesn't get rejected in the mail. So that is how you pack for the color session. And then you're good to go. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this is helpful, and have a blast pampering women all over the United States.